Taurus men are born between the 20th of April and the 20th of May. The bull stands in for him. He has a stubborn mentality, but if you know how to work his mind to get what you want out of him, he may be rather easy to talk to. Taurus is best known for their stubborn yet ambitious personalities. This can make it challenging to pursue them romantically or engage in a relationship. They won't tell you how they feel right immediately, so you'll have to figure out where you are with him to make sure you're top of mind. 1. Don't waste your time on games. Make sure you don't make him envious. While making him chase you is crucial, you should never ever strive to make him envious in the end. Taurus men dislike feeling like they have a choice, and this will only serve to turn them off. Rather, be open and honest about your objectives. Taurus appreciates sincerity in a companion. They won't like it if you make them jealous, and they'll hunt for love somewhere else. If you want to keep the pursuit alive, don't do this. 2. Be sensitive. A Taurus guy responds well to traditional romance as long as you give him the impression or feeling that he is in charge. He cares about sex, and if you tell him how much he turns you on, he'll flourish and thrive. If he's not sure about your feelings, the opposite will happen, and you'll be left wondering if he even likes you. Woo him over with beautiful flowers, fresh sensuous scents, massages, and candles, as well as loads of devotion and pampering. Who doesn't need a steady supply of good old-fashioned romance and words of encouragement? 3. Keep in contact. Every now and again, send a lovely SMS. There's a narrow line to be drawn between making him chase you and simply ignoring him. Send him a text every now and then to show that you're still interested in him. It doesn't have to be a long, mushy message. A brief, nice message will suffice. Just a quick note to let him know you're thinking about him and haven't completely neglected him. 4. Be attractive. Obstinate, earthy Taurus is a feminine sign, therefore even men born during this time are sensitive to all things feminine and attractive. He doesn't have a specific body type or style in mind, but if you take care of your appearance and allow your best features to shine, he'll notice and lavish you with compliments and affection. Half your work is done if you wear dresses and heels and portray a tidy, compassionate personal image as well as a comfortable and properly arranged home. The Taurus guy enjoys art and anything that appeals to his senses, so sharing that passion with him will strengthen your bond. 5. Charm him. Remember to tell him what piques your interest in him. Taurus men require a lot of reassurance, even if they will never admit it owing to their stubbornness. Constantly reminding him he looks wonderful or that he has a lovely smile will instill confidence in him and demonstrate your interest in him. He'll want to spend more time with you since he'll enjoy the sense of being reassured by someone he likes. You should also anticipate a few praises in return. A Taurus man isn't likely to be the first to compliment you, but once he notices that you're interested in him, he'll be happy to discuss everything about how much he genuinely loves you. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and share it with others, and subscribe for more dating tips videos like this. Do you have any dating tips I might have left out? Please post them in the comment section below.